Imagine a delicacy crafted not from land or sea, but from the sky, edible bird's nest. Made almost entirely from the saliva of swiftlets, these delicate, translucent nests are harvested from remote caves and cliffs across Southeast Asia. For centuries, they've been prized in Chinese cuisine, believed to boost health and vitality. The nests dissolve into a silky, gelatinous texture when cooked, often served as a sweet soup. Harvesting is perilous work, requiring skilled climbers. Their rarity and labor-intensive collection have made them one of the world's most sought-after foods.